Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, your cuz, back on another mission. Today, we're gonna make something amazing out of all of these blocks. Let's do it! What's it gonna be, my cousins? I got a mean idea. All right, let's go. Yeah. Let's count them together, whānau, from the bottom. Tai, rua, tore, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, te kau. That's 10. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go. Oh, oh. Awesome. Now, we need 10 white ones. Okay. All right. One more. 10. Save this one to the middle. Whoa. Here we go. Oh, there's that one. Cool. All right, now we need some more. Yeah, my cousins, we're almost done. I just got one more person to add. I'm gonna call him Matua. Check it out. Ooh, me name. Today, I wanted to build the front of a wharenui, and the person on the top is Matua. Yeah. I went with red, white, and black because tino rangatira tanga all day, my cousins. Have a good day. Ka kite.